Hola, bienvenidos. El cuerpo, or the body. We're going to learn all sorts of vocabulary for the body parts today. Are you ready? Let's begin. El cuerpo. La cabeza. La cabeza. La cabeza. Head. La cabeza. La cara. La cara. La cara. Face. La cara. Los ojos. Los ojos. Los ojos. Eyes. Los ojos. Las orejas. Las orejas. Las orejas. Ears. Las orejas. El pecho. El pecho. El pecho. Chest. El pecho. Los brazos. Los brazos. Los brazos. Arms. Los brazos. Las piernas. Las piernas. Las piernas. Legs. Las piernas. Los pies. Los pies. Los pies. Feet. Los pies. Las manos. Las manos. Las manos. Hands. Las manos. This is one of those odd words that even though this ends in an O, it's actually a feminine word. It's las manos. It's never los manos. This can be a little confusing. This is something that when I first learned it made me just a little bit angry because it doesn't make any sense. But a lot of times English doesn't make any sense. We just have to learn the things that are odd, right? Let's move on. Los dedos. Los dedos. Los dedos. Fingers. Los dedos. Los dedos de pies. Los dedos de pies. Los dedos de pies. Literally, this means the fingers of the feet. There is no actual word for toes in Spanish. It's just dedos de pies. This is also something that when I was first learning Spanish made me just a little bit angry. Didn't make any sense to me, but it is what it is. Es lo que hay. La espalda. La espalda. La espalda. Back. La espalda. La rodilla. La rodilla. La rodilla. Knee. La rodilla. El codo. El codo. El codo. Elbow. El codo. El hombro. El hombro. El hombro. Shoulder. El hombro. El tobillo. El tobillo. El tobillo. Ankle. El tobillo. Los dientes. Los dientes. Los dientes. Teeth. Los dientes. El estómago. El estómago. El estómago. Stomach. El estómago. La cadera. La cadera. La cadera. Hip. La cadera. Just like with the word angry in the last lesson, the word hair has two translations in Spanish. There's el pelo, el pelo, el pelo, and el caballo, el caballo, el caballo. Pelo is used a little bit more in Spain, and caballo is used a little bit more in Latin America. Again, just like with the word angry, you don't really have to worry. You can choose whichever word is easier for you to say. I personally always use the word pelo. For me, it's much easier. It's a much simpler word. It has less syllables. So if this is the one you want to go with, do it. But if this is the one you want to use, it's also fine. All countries use either one of these words, and if you use one, not the other, they'll still understand what you mean, so there's no worry. La muñeca. La muñeca. La muñeca. Wrist. La muñeca. Tocar. 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 To touch. Tocar. Let's look at how to conjugate the word tocar.